Okay, we're live now. They can all hear you.
Okay.
Hello, Average. Good to enjoy your happy Tuesday.
All right. Oh, I had some things to show you actually.
Okay.
So, do you remember what you said about the box last time that we talked?
Yes.
Okay. What was it?
Slide.
Mm-hmm. Apparently, my Godot is not going to open, but also this gives me time to open up stream together. So.
Yeah, we're gonna set that up.
It's okay. Godot, you can take your time, man. Okay, welcome in. Ignore those numbers up there. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
What?
Why are there random numbers?
Because I wanted to make sure, so you can see, the numbers if I restart the game. They are they consistent? I guess they're consistent. I don't know why they're consistent. Oh, I guess the level manager doesn't regenerate the seed whenever you do that. I just wanted to make sure that they consistently would get the same, like, whatever RNG value they were supposed to. So, like, whenever the chest gets... the room has, like, an overall, like, a loot RNG object. And then when a chest generates, it pulls its number from that and advances it by 1. And then that chest uses that number as the seed for its RNG functions.
I see. Interesting.
So the main reason I did that was because before I was just like querying RNG multiple times, and then I would like do that again, and it would like, if there was like something that needed 2 RNG calls, it would advance it by 2 numbers, and if something needed 3, it would advance it by 3, and if you open them in different orders, they would like continue, they would like advance in a weird way.
Yeah.
So like, I know what this is going to generate. Well, I don't know specifically. I think it might be a sticker pack or a blue relic.
It's probably a sticker pack.
Sticker pack. It's a card pack.
We're both wrong.
So then this one is this the one, the remote detonation? Nope. One of these might be. No, okay. So we're back here. But the seeds are completely... Oh, never mind. This is not the seed I thought I was on. Seeds are randomly generated now, and the chest contents are the same. So... I believe also the cards should be completely the same. So if I open this up, that's off by a bit. I don't know why that was. Box pumpkin brick. This is not a box, but whatever. And I think if I restart. Hello. Box pumpkin brick.
Whoa.
So it's like the same every time. And the other thing that I did, I don't know why I didn't add box to my hand, but so you had mentioned a slide, so I can't move right now. And then whenever it ends, he does a little flashing while he has invulnerability. If he does a little jump, he'll do his little bounce and he'll slow down. This is more box-like, I feel like. But then you talked about making him slide. So he does a little slide whenever he does that. And then that can be adjusted if you want him to slide more, he can slide for longer. Or if you want him to slide for like even longer. Up. So he will slide for quite a bit longer. You can see.
Is there a way to make it so right now it looks like he slides then he just stops? I was thinking he would slow down to a stop, like completely.
Yeah, so he
like right now it seems like he slows down to like a medium speed and then instantly stops. There we go. I like that better, where he slows, like he fully slows all the way down.
Yeah.
Then a little bit shorter
well,
slide.
the thing before was like he was stopping immediately because of the movement driver was like being overwritten because this thing I had it set to like 10 seconds, but this only like stays in the tree for like 5. But I also have this set to like a thing, so if I were to like kill both of these and then make it last like over a second, it would like slow down quicker, I guess, because it's like linear. I'm just like upping the friction over time.
Yeah.
And
I'd
this
have to
could be like
actually try it out to tell, but
yeah,
that feels okay.
But
it's hard to tell, yeah.
Yeah, I also had a thing that I was playing around with maybe whenever he slides, it like gives him a little like pop, so he bounces a little bit.
Oh, that's kind of fun. I like that. Yeah, I think that would help.
Okay. And yeah, so that was that.
Do you want
and
to?
then
Is that ready to be pushed up? 'Cause then I can
it
go
is,
mess
yeah,
around
but I
if
haven't
don't
done it.
mind. Okay.
Yeah, I'll add some export variables so it's a little easier to mess with. What was I gonna say? Oh my lord, I need to start shared chat. For anyone who's curious, the Steam playtest is in review right now. And if Valve approves it, then that means that we can make whatever changes we need to it and put it online. Which will hopefully be by the end of this week. So it is currently in review. I also fixed a lot of the controller support stuff. So I don't think most people in stream saw this, but we have the joystick follow the cursor, or that if there's no right input on the joystick, whenever you move, this follows the cursor. You can turn that off, so
We need
now
an
the
input
aim stays the
display.
same. Huh?
We need an input display. I shouldn't have said
Brother.
that. You're gonna add it now.
It will happen eventually, but
I don't think
accessible
we need
font is
input
still a
display,
thing.
you know? Okay.
Let's see, was there any other options? I don't think so. This has the tooltips now. I don't think this did before. Maybe it did. I don't remember.
I think it was
It was the forge
the
for
forge
sure.
that didn't have tooltips.
Yeah. But this now has controller support, and if I teleport back down to here and get a sticker pack, which I believe is this chest right here. Yep. So I can pick a card. We'll just put it on the pistol. So this now has full controller support. So I can choose. What did I put it on the pistol? So we'll probably like minus 20% soul cost. So I can move this around. It's like it's slow and then it speeds up. Or if you want to position it on specific pixels, you can use the D-pad. You can still rotate it. And I'll just cover up the name. And I don't know why that didn't show the border, but it usually does. I still need to figure that out. But yeah, this is controller compatible.
Oh, did my internet die? Rip. Oop. I think my Discord died. There we go.
Welcome back.
Hello? My Discord just randomly decided to die.
Yeah, it sounded like it.
Yeah. I don't think it was my internet this time. I think
Yeah, if
it
you
was
want to
just
share your
Discord.
screen again. But yeah, controller support's in. I don't know if you answered FGL's question.
Yes. We do have a Discord.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then let me see, what were the other changes that I made? Oh yeah, the minimap is now controller compatible as well. You have like a little cursor that you have over things. You can teleport between rooms. I think that might have been in last stream, but now it's a little bit like it works a little bit better, I guess.
Need to make it a little clearer on the map because you can barely tell.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that works. And then I need to show you this. I mean, this looks like shit, to be completely honest with you, but it is functionally good. Which is the old main menu that we were going to use during the last playtest.
Oh yeah, you got
like
the silly little cards.
Yeah. So whenever you hover over them, they flip. So this one just starts a game with a random seed. So I don't know what seed this is going to be. Apparently, it doesn't have a seed. So that's a little interesting. But or it's the same as the last time. But
yeah, I'm not sure how I like the idea of the cards. I don't really like them. Like you can't see what any of them are when you open it up.
I was also thinking about that. Well, before they had like icons on them.
Yeah, I think maybe having it just an auto flip maybe, and make it just be like a regular card where it like kind of floats around and then angles based on where your mouse is.
Yeah, I can do that.
And then the back, the text needs a drop shadow, which I can add at some point.
Yeah. But if I
For the
choose load
logo.
seed, I can load a seed. This looks ugly, but it's functionally good. So you can do words or you can do numbers. So if I do like
That's
or
fine.
I don't remember. There's an exit in the top right. I remember that. What was the loot in this room? I think it was 2 soul potions and like 2 common loot or some shit. No, there was a plasma ball in one of these. This is a plasma ball?
That's
Yeah.
crazy.
So it's like the fact that I can remember what it is.
Yeah.
I don't know if I remember what was in this though. Maybe a knife? I don't know that. No, yeah, it was all guns stuff.
It's a 1
I
in
do remember
400
that from
chance to
earlier.
get a knife, so it's pretty unlikely.
Is it actually?
No,
In this
joking.
game? That'd be kinda
It's a
cool.
Counter-Strike joke.
Also, for the knife card. So you know how whenever you pull it out, it pulls a random knife?
Yeah.
What if it didn't do it every time you pulled it out, and it was just whenever you got the knife
Yeah,
card?
that's what
it
I was
just...
thinking. I just didn't know how to implement it at the time, and I was too lazy to figure it out.
Fair enough. But yeah, and then also if I were to go in here and copy the seed, and then go back to the main menu. So even though I used the text before, if I paste the seed in, this will be
Okay.
the exact same
That's
seed
really cool.
as before, so this is plasma ball.
Mhm.
And then these
Yeah.
are all guns.
I also feel like maybe we should have like a really simplistic like lobby area you can kind of run around in
Yeah, I'm so down with that.
instead of doing it from the menu. I don't know. There's just something about
Yeah.
having an in-world like area you can run around in and be like, oh, here's the entrance to the tutorial. Here's the entrance to. Here's a little
I agree.
terminal.
It
to
also
put the
gives
seed
people a
in.
chance to like feel
Yeah,
the
mess
game out
around,
before they
yeah.
get put into this.
That's true, yeah.
Let's see, were there other things that I added? I don't remember exactly. It's mostly been controller support, because controller
Yeah.
support has been like one of the big focuses for me.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Oh, you can show them the new zapper if you haven't.
New
If they
zapper.
haven't.
Oh yeah. So here's the new zapper. It is very overtuned.
I sped up
As you can
the.
Yeah, he's been that up.
How far
which
away
is
is the
fine,
gameplay
but
test? Can't wait. Like less than a week probably.
less than a week. Yeah.
Yeah, it just depends on
yeah,
how fast we finish everything up and how fast Steam approves it.
Yeah. There's also whenever you pick up things, it'll pop up a little text
Mm-hmm.
that just says what
That's
you
really
picked
nice.
up. Fun fact, it actually just reuses the damage number stuff, and it still spawns a damage number, but I have just a new function called like damage number dot from text.
That's really funny.
Yeah. And then there's a couple of like I want to say there were a couple of fixes somewhere. I don't remember exactly where. If I clear this hand, the equipment disappears again. That's something I need to check on startup though, because if I restart the game, it's still there. But
Be back after
yeah,
dinner.
we
Alright, see
are.
ya. We'll
Yeah, I'm
see
feeling
you
very good
back.
about the playtest right now.
Mhm.
To be honest. There are a couple things that we still need to do.
Couple,
Like
as in a lot.
well, no, I mean honestly, this is good. Loot table / chance. We're not doing. Well, maybe we'll do that. We'll probably end up doing something like that. But this is cleaned up. We don't have the tutorial stuff.
And we can also add more stuff over time too, like
yeah,
in the next week
yeah.
or two.
Sounds for just pickups and other stuff. That's good. Actually, do you have changes you haven't pushed?
A few, I think. Let me double check. Yeah, it's
Let me see if
mostly
I
the
have any of the-
box stuff. Yeah, it's
Okay,
like
let me see if I have
90%
any
the
changes that I
box.
Okay. Yeah, I've pulled all of your other changes.
Also, Biddy, one thing about the start menu, or I guess actually never mind, this is different because you are using the fancier start menu, not the old one that we were using with the text. But I couldn't figure out how to get the text to be centered if I had like a normal size screen, but then if I like extended the screen, it would get off center. I couldn't figure it out. So I don't know.
I can probably tell you either way, but
yeah, it was that one.
yeah, this one. So where's this? How is this label set up? Center bottom. So like, are you talking about if you like hit this open and then like made it like a long monitor, it would be off center?
Yeah, it'd be like off to the left.
Oh, thank you, Godot. I pressed F6 to open up this thing, and it didn't open up the thing. Very nice. Oh yeah, oops, sorry. This is using the same script for some fucking fuck-ass reason. Just gonna pretend like it.
You just commented all of it out.
Yeah, give me a sec. I can...
Or just disconnect the script.
Wait, how is this... How is this doing the thing where whenever you click it starts?
No clue, it's probably in the
What?
label. It's in the label.
It is. It's in the label? What the fuck?
I
The
probably heard
fuck?
that.
What the butt?
I need to make a
You're
stream
connected.
soundboard,
Oh.
so that way I can make funny noises while we're streaming.
Just like make funny noises with your mouth. Just like, buh?
Ow.
I'll connect you there, I guess, and then we'll load into this. Not that it matters too much, but
Yeah, it really doesn't.
I just want to get this to run. Okay, so you're talking about if I like...
See,
Oh, I
it doesn't
see.
expand.
If you make it like
Yeah,
wide. That's weird. I thought this would be centered.
I
to
thought
the
so too.
bottom.
That's what I tried doing.
So usually what I would do is I would add a control here called full screen. Drop this here. Set this to full screen. Grab the... Oh, I know what's going on with it. The animation player is changing its position.
Ooh, okay, I see.
Which is, yeah, so you would actually want a, let me close the scene. So I think that would work, because if this moved over, it would still bob in that. So yeah, you still want the, this full screen thing, and then the animation can play relative to this. So
I see.
I think this should be fine, although it may still be off. It is. Okay, so then the answer would be actually, fuck off. The answer would be that this control would actually be at the bottom. So that instead of it being based on the size of the screen, it would just be based on the positioning. Or it would position itself based on the size rather than... Oh, where did the... Stop playing. Where the fuck is it? Oh, it's on there now.
Oh, because you moved it,
That's-
but you didn't change the animation.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'll just, I mean, not that it matters. 'cause
Yeah, I
it's
get
not
what
going
you're
to
saying,
this,
so
but-
you probably don't need to.
Yeah. Yeah, you would just reference it via,
Yeah,
via
so the
something like that,
control
like you would
would
have a-
like control where it is, and then the
yeah,
label
so
would
rather than
animate.
this
Yeah,
being a position
Yeah.
relative, because this is currently a position relative to the top left of the screen, but if you made it a child of a tiny control at the bottom, it would be relative to that control.
Yeah.
But you're making, we are working on a game called Dante's 9. It is currently about to go into playtest. It is a, here we go, a roguelike deck builder, but it's a real time. So if you imagine Enter the Gungeon, but instead of picking up guns inside of levels, you pick up cards, and those will be dealt to you as you play, and then you will play them, which will give you either a temporary upgrade or a weapon for a certain amount of time.
Yeah.
So,
You can wishlist it on Steam.
you
I'll do
can.
that.
I don't know if that's going to show up in my YouTube chat, but if you don't mind sending a message in my YouTube chat with _game, it might be in the description.
Don't know it might work. Let's see.
I don't know. I can't do it because OBS has logged me out of my
Chat-
YouTube chat.
Wait, your chat's frozen. Frozen.
Uh,
English is
My
hard.
chat's not frozen. Your chat,
no,
your
it was for
browser's
me.
frozen.
Yeah, my browser's frozen.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So
I
you
need
will
to
get these
restart my
cards.
computer. It just keeps
Ignore
like
box.
freezing. It does
Exclamation
not
mark
work.
game
Oh, game. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm dumb.
is what it would be. It's in the
Yeah.
description. All right, sick. That's fine then.
Oh, okay.
Exclamation mark game doesn't work. Okay, because that would have been the one that I would use.
Yeah. It works in Twitch
I need to set
chat
that
on
up.
like both of our streams.
Yeah.
But YouTube chat.
I see. Yeah. But yeah, so if I go ahead and I'll just pick up a couple of cards. These are in addition to the starting cards that I have. And then if I go to the forge, I can select any of the cards that I currently have, say this knife, and I can apply a sticker to them. So we'll say this one looks cool. So we can put this anywhere on the card. We can rotate it. But these are kind of like your upgrades. So you'll put these on the cards and they will be persistent throughout the run. So for example, this one has the sticker negative on it, which just means that whenever you go into a level, we'll see if we draw it first time. We did. So this normally you only draw 4 cards, but because this one's negative, it doesn't count towards the limit. So you can draw an extra card.
It absolutely sucks because I balanced it horribly.
It does.
Oh, also you shouldn't have 50 mana. You're supposed to have 100. I forgot to change a value in one spot. Or maybe you changed a value. I don't know. Because it wasn't working on my end, and then I pulled your changes. What?
Oh shit! Dude, the fucking yeah, the explosions are sick. The pumpkin is like really effective at just killing things by just throwing the pumpkin at it.
Yeah.
This is so cool. Thank you. JW here does the art.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ignore the fact that I'm using the basic attack because it's just better than. I actually don't know what this is. Oh, Soul Lantern. Yay. Yeah, the basic attack is just better than a lot of the cards right now. Where are you at? Did you add the script to? No, you didn't add the script to this level because the guy's not. What room is this? This is room 5, right? Yeah.
Yeah. People.
The script that makes this thing a sprite that does cool things.
Oh no, I didn't know I need that. Yeah.
Yeah. So it does the cutout thing so that they don't
yeah.
die. I wonder if it'll update in real time. I doubt it. The answer is no.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's okay.
Oh, it's funny. It changed the color of it too.
Ouch.
Normally it's darker. Or in that room, I made it darker because I was testing different colors.
Yeah, oops, I just clicked and dragged on my browser and now the game is running at 12 FPS, but like not actually. I think it's because it's going between 2 different monitors. So it went from my 144 hertz monitor to my 60 hertz monitor and it was just like, uh-oh, which one do I render at?
Yeah.
But what was I gonna say? Oh my lord. The basic attack is way too strong compared to a lot of the cards, so I don't know what I want to do about that.
We're removing it entirely.
Yeah.
If you go to player data, I think it is, you have, or wherever the mana is, you have a function called reset that needs to be set to 100. Or all the values just need to be doubled. I forgot to change them.
I see.
Because I think the base values are 100. Yeah. But I forgot to change the reset, and I think you're calling the reset like whenever you start the game.
Yep.
Somewhere. And that should be 10. Mana regen should be 10.
Oh.
Because everything's doubled. I just doubled the value of everything mana related, so everything's relatively the same.
Honestly, what I could do is I could have like I could do like a reset amount or whatever, but yeah.
That's fine.
And then store whatever they are up here. But
that's fine.
Yeah,
so that should feel slightly less worse.
Slightly less worse. Nice.
It's still horribly unbalanced, but I need to make the knife. The knife should do more damage.
Maybe.
Definitely.
The stickhead, the slime, should be invulnerable during his explode, I think.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Or at the very least, untargetable. Maybe he'll still take damage over time, but you should be able to click him.
Oh, so if he has an effect on stealing damage or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not that he can be on fire, but if he was on fire, something like that. So let's take a look at what do we have that we would like to.
I have a couple things to cover with you. So one, I tried adding the enemy attack indicators And there's
Mhm.
I don't know how finished they are, but there's some things
Okay.
that need work.
All
One,
right. What's up?
when I was animating them, I had to animate the outline color and the fill color because it would
Yep.
always set it. Because like changing the visibility or modulate of the enemy attack indicator, since it's drawing it, it doesn't do anything, or it does. It's weird.
Wait, what?
If I change like the modulate in the animation, it does change it, but if I change it in
Yes.
the reset, it doesn't reset to this.
What? Huh? Hold on.
So if I disable the outline color and the fill color, currently it's the reset is making this invisible and
Yes.
setting the modulate to nothing. But if I go to run it, give me a minute, I have like 50 scenes open.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I'm gonna resize your stream on my end because apparently it's smaller than it's supposed to be. Or I don't know, something's weird about your Discord screen share today. I don't know what's up with
Okay, that's fine. And we spawn this guy in. Nope, it just doesn't work at all. Why isn't it working? Oh, because the reset for the other animation is still enabled. Oh, I'm lagging.
Reset for the other animation. Oh, do you have multiple animations? Or...
It's the reset for the reset track for the tracks that I disabled was still enabled.
Oh, the reset animation.
Yes.
You mean?
Yes.
Okay. You said the reset for the other animation. I'm like, what the fuck does that even mean?
I meant the reset for the track. Sorry. Maybe this will work now. Nope. Whatever. It's not a big deal. But
okay. So what's the issue exactly?
The issue
Can you
is
explain
that
it again with just like words.
If I change the modulate or the visibility,
Yes.
it doesn't affect
Yes.
it
Correct.
initially. The module is working for the animation, but not for the reset animation. So I was setting the modulate to clear in the reset, which wasn't doing anything, but then when I would do it in the animation, in this animation, it would.
Hold on. That shouldn't be doing anything in the... Can you show me the animation that you've got set up right now? Like with the everything going, the working right? Also, hello, Benny
It gets
VV.
bigger than...
Yeah, can you show it in game? Like, does it work in game?
Yeah, it should with if I enable everything.
Okay. Also, you don't have to restart the game whenever you change things for animations.
Oh, yeah, right. Like that.
Okay, and then if you... What?
I said like that.
Okay, so can you pause game? Do not close it. What's happening to do? Can you go to the animation? And so you're changing the modulate. Can you change the second key to fully transparent?
This one?
Yep. So what would you expect it to do in game right now? Because you've done that.
I don't know, stay transparent.
Okay.
Oh. Weird.
So the modulate should be doing nothing whatsoever.
It definitely was earlier.
It definitely shouldn't be. The scale, yes. The modulate, no. Because you can actually see it. So have the enemy come up to like hit you and then pause the game while the indicator's on screen. Okay, if you go to the remote tab, under level, there should just be an object now called enemy indicator. Or I guess, sorry, under the room. My fault. Yeah, so the attack indicator is not parented to the indicator object.
That's weird.
So the modulate should not be affecting it at all.
Interesting.
Yeah, because we have to do so much like weird sub viewport shit. It ended up being way easier to unparent it from the enemy and then link.
Well, that's not
together.
a big deal, but just some way to do that without having to animate the outline and fill color would be great.
Yeah, I can do that. I can just have it so it feeds the modulate over as well.
Or
that's not a huge deal.
Yeah, or we could just have like a whatever is easiest, as long as there's like one thing that I can change. And then
I can add
another thing is, if possible, I would like all of the attack indicators to combine. I thought we were already doing that, but I guess not.
Best viewers in your chat.
I know, I got it. So if I have multiple of multiple enemies.
I forgot about that.
See, it makes a huge clump of them, which looks really bad. But it would look really sick if they like all combined together into one big.
I'll see if I can do that today.
Blob.
I'll add.
Okay.
Unless actually, so I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna fix the issue that you just mentioned with the modulate, and then I'm going to maybe look into doing something a bit like important for the playtest. Like I would want to round off some of the edges that are rough right now.
Yeah.
But if you want to put that on the list, I will totally take care of that.
Okay.
Because I don't think it'd be super difficult. There's just a couple of.
Yeah.
Actually, no. Hold on. No, I've thought about it more. I think I can do that today, but I would still add it to the list just in case.
Yeah.
Enemy attack indicator. So I'll just add. I'm gonna add a. I don't want to just do a check in physics process, do I? Because that feels wrong. I'm just gonna do a
twin.
Nope.
Oh.
I'm gonna add an export bar since. Yeah. No. This is a tool. Yeah, I can do that. Actually, that works. Which will be a color, and then we'll do the same thing as here. Indicator. Artist. Use a color. And then I can use this. This is the overall node 2D, which I think could just have the modulate updated.
Okay, what am I working on? I had some other things that I was thinking of. There's so many things I want to do.
Did you push that up, by the way, by chance?
Which one?
The enemy, the indicators.
Oh no! I just did that this afternoon.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
If you want, I can. Only if you
That'd
push
be
up
cool,
the box bounce. Here,
I don't
I'll
know
push up this first, so that way you can.
Peace offering type shit.
Yeah.
What does this have?
I push mine, so that way you have to deal with all the merge issues.
Yeah. Good point. Uniform.
Oh yes. The gambling card. I tried writing a script for it, and it failed horribly. Actually, it didn't fail horribly. I got like most of it working to what I think would work, and then there's an error that I don't know what it's causing. What's causing it? Because it's weird card stuff.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take a look at it in a second.
Yeah.
I don't know why I hit run as if I have your stream on. Oopsies. What was I doing? I was adding an attack indicator. Did you push your stuff up just now?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me do a get fetch and then close the game because we're doing get operations now. We're in get mode. So we'll put this on there.
Why don't they call
I'm just kidding, Mike.
Instead of fetch? Why don't they call it get? Since it's called get. Because you're like getting it. Get it? Do you get it?
That doesn't. Yeah, it's no.
Like you're getting it with get.
Yeah, no. Imagine telling a junior developer, your coworker who just started like a week ago, "Oh yeah, dude, can you run get real quick?"
Yeah, that'll be so funny.
Yeah, GIT and then GET. Yeah. No, yeah, I know it's a little weird of naming, but like Linus Torvalds thought he was like fucking hilarious whenever he made that.
Yeah, but like obviously you're gonna be using GitHub Desktop, so that way you could just push the button.
Did you know that Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux, was also the guy who created Git?
Didn't he also make Balatro?
Nope. Okay, what are we doing? What's the issue?
So the issue is I forgot. This does. I think it was this line. You know what? I just can just run it and show you.
Oh, I see something you're doing wrong.
Okay, then let's try to do that first and then figure it
Yeah,
out.
so... Oh, are you getting like an error or are you getting like an
Yes,
output
like
thing?
an error.
Okay, you are getting an error.
Yeah, like an error, like it kills the entire
Okay,
game.
so all cards, card, and zoom weapon card. Are you, put a breakpoint on line 12.
I hate breakpoints.
Yep, and then do the thing that causes this to spawn a card. Okay, so this has an issue in there because of... What does that say? Does that say of type nil?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's not setting the card of the card instance before
Okay, can you
it
step
tries
up to the...
to call.
Yeah, we'll get there in a
calculate sticker
second.
upgrades.
So go to the stack 3.
3? Yeah.
Yep.
So it's this right.
Yep, can you click on weapon underscore cards? Like the... Oh, it's empty. It's an empty array.
I see.
Do you know why it's an empty array? So walk me through your line of code, or your code real quick.
Let's see. It gets all the cards,
Okay.
and then it makes a variable, which is weapon cards.
Mhm.
There's an array of cards, and then for each card. Oh. I see.
There is another issue in your code, but
Okay.
you can run that now, and I think we should at least get past that error
Okay.
until line 12.
I don't know how I missed that. I was
That's
like, I
okay.
don't know where this error is coming from.
It's like, I don't know, man. The card's just empty for some reason.
Yeah,
know why.
that's what I was trying to figure out. I was like, why isn't the card getting... Oh.
Okay, yeah. So we did hit breakpoint line 12.
Mm-hmm.
So if you run the game, I think it should just hopefully work. We'll find out, though.
This one? Yeah, but nothing happens.
Okay, so it does work. And now if you were to click redeal cards, see what happens. Or if you were to open up your deck as well, I think you could see it under deck. Cool. You are doing something wrong, though, which is on line 12, you are directly appending to the hand. Instead, I would prefer you to use the add card method.
Mm-hmm.
And then also, I would say preferably do that after you've put the stickers on it, I think.
Yeah,
Actually, no, sorry, never mind.
Okay.
I think you're good to do that.
Okay,
actually.
this I had done because I thought it was an issue with like ordering or something. So
No,
I had moved it. So
I
originally
think
it was
either
again,
or
but
should
I think
work.
yeah. Does this add
Either
it to
or
the
should
hand though?
work. This does not.
Okay.
You want to add it to the hand.
Yes.
Okay, then you will do player data.deck.draw card.
Hopefully that'll work. And then
Yep, and remove the breakpoint.
remove the breakpoint. Yep. What are the sticker values again? I put in what I thought like were close to. I want it to be like not because if you look, that's like way on the very edge. I want it to be like.
So
generally
0,
in the
0 is
area.
the dead center of the card.
Ah, okay, I see. I was
So it's
going
like
from...
minus 30 to positive 30 and minus 50 to positive 50 is basically like the range that you'll see.
Yeah.
And that's like from edge to edge, top to bottom.
Okay. So we'll do like 40. We'll give it like 10 pixels each, so it'll be negative 20.
Okay. Yeah, make sure that's minus 40 as well.
Yeah. There, that should be better. And then I need to find some sort of sound for when you like activate that, but maybe it should like drop a slot machine like in the world too, just for funsies. There we go, look at that. And now we
Okay.
have,
Can you do me a favor? Can you add just like a fuck ton of cards to your deck first?
like a lot of like any card?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then do a redeal. Oh, I guess that's not gonna do the fuck. I think if you use the card, use the energy drink. It's not gonna draw a new one, is it? No, because you're not in combat. Can you go to the next room and start combat? And then can you now... is the slot machine card still in your deck?
It should be. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Can you just redeal until you get that back?
Maybe. There it is. Should I use it?
Okay. So yeah, can
Wait,
you
why do
use
I
it?
have 4 cards? 5
Do
cards.
any of those have negative on them? No.
No.
Oh, well, no. Okay, I think I know the bug that just happened. Don't worry about it too much.
Should I use this?
I think if you were to use Soul Siphon. Okay, to draw another one. Okay. Can you?
Oh, where
use
did
the
my
card now?
Where did my glow go? Where did my light
I just
go?
made it blue so you could see that it was active.
Oh, okay,
Also
that's
about
when
to
that. I
die.
was like, Oh yeah, you're right. Oop, that's the wrong one.
Yeah. Okay. Can you now use the slot machine? Okay. Yeah. So it
Uh,
added 2 cards. So we're gonna have to figure that one out.
Yeah.
Because what's happening is the slot machine is being used, which triggers the hand to draw, and then the card is being added to the hand after it's already redrawn.
I see.
But yeah, I just noticed another thing that needs to be fixed, which I think is related to the redealing cards whenever you're in combat, or negative cards. 'Cause
Okay.
There's some shit going on there.
Cool, but that seems to work. Decently
Yeah, I'm
well
actually gonna
with
write that down as well. Issues.
And more.
Negative card. When in combat can sometimes cause more.
Okay, and it is drawing like different cards, or just giving you like different stickers. It's really fun, actually.
You also wanted those to be like fleeting cards, like they would go away after you use them, right?
Yeah, I wasn't sure how to.
Yeah, which.
That. I mean, we could even make like a sticker for it. That would make sense. Honestly, maybe that wouldn't be hard. Why does the
think about it.
9 looks weird on there? Doesn't have like an outline in
like
the
a
middle.
weird. Yeah, can you full screen your window? I don't know if that makes. No, that doesn't look like that makes a difference.
Make it really big.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it's
Why
blue
doesn't
in
the
middle
9
for
have
some reason? That's so weird.
Weird. Wait, is it blue in the middle or is it white?
Yeah, it's blue. I'm pretty sure it's the color of the pixel behind it. It's blue.
Huh. Weird.
So it's
Let
like
me add
the
this,
inside doesn't have an
and-
outline.
Let me merge these changes in, and then did you change something with? Never mind, I can check. It's pushed up GitHub now. Box and stuff. Box and stuff. Incoming changes. CD card. What'd you change here? What did you change here? Oh, you changed like nothing, but GitHub thinks you did. Weird.
Oh yeah, there's some weird merge change, I think. Oop, why is this like
Yeah.
wait? No stickers.
Hmm?
I wanted to know any stickers, maybe it did.
Which one?
I thought it drew wanted to know stickers. Oh, maybe it's just the double draw thing that I'm just doing.
You can also, if you press the number keys, you can use the card without scrolling.
Oh yeah, right. I forgot about that.
Yeah, because we added like hand usage.
Yeah.
Yippee!
Yeah, and just like thoughts that I've been having recently in terms of game stuff. In terms of like content creators, I know we're still probably a little early for that. But I think if we polish up the playtest a little bit, it could be a possibly good tool for that. especially if we lean into the like this is super duper early, and if you have ideas and things like that, you can be part of whatever we feel like adding or improving.
You mean part of the Dante's 9 history?
And that like I can imagine that making good content, which is their goal. So that's just something I was thinking about, because we should start doing that soon. And there's like not like there's a shortage of content creators. So if only a few or like 2 people were interested, that would be cool. And then we still have the rest of the dev cycle to try to get people to play it.
Yeah.
Because I think we're at a point where it is close to being good to show off, even with it being a little bit unfinished. It just needs some balance changes.
It's like a fun game right now, honestly.
Yeah.
Which is like
I would, with some balance changes and like maybe a couple more enemies, I would be like perfectly comfortable just handing it to somebody and be like, hey, try this out and tell me what's terrible about it and what's really fun about it. And it's not like you can overexpose your game, so I think it's very good to...
yeah, I mean, yeah.
You can expose your game when
actually,
it's
you
like
can totally
bad,
overexpose your game. Yeah, if the game isn't good, I think giving it too much exposure could turn people off of it before it has a chance to be better.
Well, yes, but I wouldn't call that overexposing. I would call that showing off your game when it's not ready.
I would say overexposing. Like maybe you were like, oh, I'm like working on this little game, and you posted like a TikTok, and it just like blew up or some shit.
I would
say that's like
see that as a problem though.
Because if the game is so far out, and then like people see it and they're like, this game like,
yeah,
I don't know, I feel like
that
people
doesn't
can see it and they can be like,
this
isn't
see it later.
Yeah, but I think that they could be like, I remember this game. This game looked like shit before. I don't
think people think like that at all. And from like most of the research I've done in terms of like content creation, pretty much everybody agrees that you can't like show it off too much. You can very much show off a bad product, but if you're happy with what you have, you can't like over show it off. And I think we're at the point where it's not bad.
Yeah. So I'm going to share something really quickly. So if I go into this. So this is my Dante's 9 playtest that I have on Steam. And what I have is I've separated out the PCK and the EXE.
I see.
Just because if we update anything, this is the only place the changes are going to be. So any updates will be maximum like 50 megabytes in size rather than both of these.
Yeah.
So,
how big is it right now?
It's 139 megs.
Oh, it's tiny.
So like not large. Yeah. And then also, I turned on Shader Baker, so that will be useful.
Yeah, because I was noticing a little bit of stuttering when I played it for the first time, so hopefully that'll be less of an issue.
Does not happen. Did not stutter at all on my Steam Deck, which is really good.
Is it updated now? Can I try it?
Yeah.
Fire.
It should be up to date. Whatever I published to Steam last night, which was full controller support, I think.
Guys, check this out. Dante 9
We're on Steam.
I need to replace the banner art. It looks really terrible. I literally found it some drawing of the 9 circles of hell and made some terrible creative edits.
Yeah.
It looks really bad.
I also made it so it's an export as a debug build, and also the console is off by default in production builds.
Is the
you can
debug menu an option?
Debug menu's on right now, yes.
Debug menu, okay. Yeah, we can.
I left that on during.
Yeah. But we could probably just keep it in there and not tell anybody about it.
Yeah.
And if people find it, then, whatever.
But yeah, like I think the main things that would stutter is like if you were to pull up like the laser and use that up whenever the card gets like discarded.
Yeah.
It would like hitch a little bit. I don't know if it hitched or not on my screen. The screen share did, but
I'm just lagging because I'm streaming and have a million things open at once, and my computer isn't the greatest.
Yeah.
Yeah, no issue. Oh, did it just disappear? I thought it was supposed to.
What? No, I saw the little. There was like the animation at
Okay,
the bottom.
maybe I'm going insane. It's okay.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's working.
Yeah.
Oh, this card is so sad about any
Yeah.
effects.
Yeah. I should also. I should do that in a second, but let me push this up. Thoughts and menu changes are the main things that happen there, I guess. Hey, push and pull, and we've got merge. Oh,
I
show
don't
now, but
think
what's
we
wrong?
need
Oh,
this
for storm.
stone block, as fun as it
No,
sounds. We have too many weapons already. And do you have any idea updates on the reword catnip? Is that
No updates on
Okay.
it. I don't think that's gonna make it in. I'll be honest, just because it's so weird. And like
Yeah.
getting it to work is like kind of a bitch.
yeah. So
What
I
did you change
think
here?
we're pretty much set in terms of cards. I think the laser pointer might need a little bit of just a tiny
Mhm.
touch up. But besides that, I think we're pretty good. What did I change there? I
You didn't change
changed it.
anything here.
Yeah, I did. It's a function. It's reset now because
Oh, resets
before,
the function now.
yeah,
I see.
because now it calls reset when it
Okay.
gets hit. Then it plays the animation.
I see. Okay.
It's optimizing for Steam Deck, a part of the roadmap. Yes, it's already being tested on Steam Deck.
Yep. It will continually be tested on Steam Deck. There's a couple of Steam Deck specific features that I want to add. Like for a lot of games, if you're like moving using left joystick and that registers as a joystick input, but you're using the Steam Deck's like trackpad, and that registers as a cursor input, some games will flash between the glyphs, Dante's 9 included. But I'm going to add some specific things to lock it in place so that it doesn't flash between them, and so you can just like pick which one you want, kind of for like a. We'll try our best to figure it out, but if you are hell-bent on having this specific thing, then like pop off, dog, you got it.
I'm
I
gonna
trust
start
you.
a list for updates that we can probably do shortly after we release it. One of them being adding critical hits, so we can add more stickers and relics.
Yeah. Oh, I can just accept your change, whatever this is about the texture. I don't fucking care. If that's all texture, I do not give a fuck. I don't know why I closed that. I need you still open. I need to say that this file is committed. All right, time to find out if this works.
Also, I was playing Railgunner earlier in Risk of Rain, and they're very fun. Thought you might want to know.
We need more charge weapons. Like
More
a couple
charge
of them at
weapons.
least. Or like either a charge weapon or a weapon that whenever you click it, it doesn't immediately shoot and it does like a little like or something like that.
Yeah, maybe. I want to add the op so bad so you can make funny edits with it.
Have you seen the op in Enter the Gungeon?
I have not actually. I don't think I've.
Oh,
gotten
you don't know
it.
anything about the op in Enter the Gungeon?
No, I haven't gotten it.
So the op in Enter the Gungeon is really, really cool. Enter the Gungeon op. Because is this the video? Please don't be loud. Please don't be loud. I don't want to blow everyone's ears
Is
out.
it Northern Line?
No.
No, then I'll
Oh, this
watch
is
it.
using like yeah, it's fine. I'll okay. So sorry about the anime. You don't need sound on. It's just a guy talking and then text to speech voice, but he's got like
Hello
words.
and welcome. On this video, I will be covering everything now.
So this is the op, which is pretty good, but where is it? So you shoot, and it's like a piercing projectile.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. But with this thing, you hold up. No, sorry, not this one. Hold on. There's this synergy with the scope, where if you spin
Oh,
it makes it do extra
yes.
damage.
That's great.
So if you do a 360 no scope, it does extra damage. But if you spin enough,
What?
you can actually stack those buffs up to 6 times, which is very fun. So you can like spin a lot and then shoot, and spin and then shoot.
That's
And
fire.
keep doing that.
I wanna play Gungeon. I've never gotten that before.
Really?
Oh, and it gives you the buff even after, like if you switch weapons.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I think it's something with their. Oh yeah, I guess it is if you change.
That's insane.
So yeah, it's sick as fuck.
Yeah.
Is basically the end all be all on that. I just realized
Yeah.
there's a second Dante's 9 on my monitor, but from the last time I was doing shape shit. So yeah, let's see. I think so. One thing that I did add, by the way, you may have noticed it, you may not have. If I go back to the main menu and then I hit play, I'll actually put the. I wonder what happens.
Also, I need to redo that card back. It's like kind of cool, but it does not fit at all.
It's very noisy, yeah. So you'll see
I will.
eventually
I'm not seeing anything.
that fades in.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Because before it would just start, but now
Mm-hmm.
it fades in.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let me make sure. I think the box stuff. I mean, I just pushed it up actually. Oh no, I didn't. I didn't push it up. Box stuff is being pushed up currently.
Okay.
I also made some changes to the enemy stuff. The attack
Yeah.
indicator.
I need to add some more. We need to add a couple more enemies too.
Yep.
I don't know what the
let me see if
spider
I can
should
get
do.
this-
Should he just hop around? But
He
that's like
did
what the
just hop
slime
around. He
does.
could. Oh,
I
what's the
think
spider do?
we should give the spider a little cannon sticking out of his back, and he should shoot like mortar rounds that explode.
What a crazy. No,
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
That's a turtle. That would be a turtle.
Yeah, you're right.
Mortar rounds are a turtle weapon.
Yeah.
I like how my
mushroom.
no wasn't like a. You thought my no was no. That sounds stupid. My no was no. Wrong enemy.
Yeah. I think in Risk of Rain they're the mushrooms, but close enough. They look kind of like turtles. They're like the big flat
I was
ones.
like, the spider could like. He could put down like webs or something that like slow your projectiles to go through it.
Okay. Gungeon.
Is that Gungeon? Gungeon doesn't make your
I don't
weapons
slow your
slower
projectiles, I
on
just
it.
slow you down. Climbing
Yeah,
walls.
I mean, Gungeon,
that's a
as if
good
other
idea.
fucking games have never ever had a spider that slows things down.
Maybe they shoot like one projectile really slow, but they can like climb on walls and stuff.
Climbing walls or something about hanging/swinging from the ceiling. Oh my god, a grappling hook, Spider-Man, spider guy, spider dude,
Spider dude.
spider thing. Let me see if I can get this into weird, and I'll see what happens.
Also need to figure out the slime.
The slime. Oh, So one issue with the enemy indicators with multiple enemies. Oh, I hadn't thought about this actually. So you want them to combine together, yes?
Yes.
So what about when there are multiple enemies that are like let's say the explodey guy. I think you made it so that whenever he explodes, it like goes from transparent to like fully opaque, right? Or like more opaque.
Yeah.
What if there are two of them that start at different times using the same indicator? Because it's all in the shader and not in.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
So they can merge. It's just like they. I think we put that on hold for now.
Them merging?
Yeah, I think we
really
put.
want it,
I think.
but we could just not
Well,
animate the color. Like, I think that's fine.
I mean, maybe.
I just don't
Do
like
these
how
have
it
the
looks
yeah,
at all.
like this. So like,
Like, I feel like it clutters it so much. If there's a more than like 3, like 2 or 3, it just feels cluttered and like not helpful.
yeah. I'm just trying to think of like what would this look like given
They could just grow.
like
they already grow like that. They could just scale.
yeah.
And I think that would be fine. The only thing then would be like if we have gradients.
Yeah.
But that might not. That could be hard.
I'll have to think about it. I'll have to think about that a lot.
You would it
I can maybe do it.
I don't know how shaders work, but my brain is thinking that you would just have it would combine them all together into just like a black and white image that's just white that is just the opacity, and then it would run that through the shader, through like the outline and everything. So that way, if you had one that's lower opacity, it would combine with the other one. But yeah, I don't know how shaders work, so I'm just saying random words.
Yeah. Let me. Let's say I can do the scaling thing. I can have it so it's just like the scaling ones.
Yeah.
I have a couple ideas running through my head of how it could be done.
Yeah. But I would much rather it only be scale and them combined together than have it be able to be animated with the color.
Okay.
In my professional opinion.
Then yeah, I'll see if I can do that then.
Okay, thanks.
Win.
It also just looks way cooler. That's just the main thing is the vision twin.
Division.
This might be the best song on my playlist. What am I doing? I probably have a to-do list. I don't want to work on enemies, but like that's literally the main thing that we just need more of that isn't polish. Besides the boss, but the boss is like your job. Because I don't know how it works.
Yeah. That's fair. I'm still... Dude, the boss is pissing me off.
TSPMO.
Yeah, I'll talk about how he's pissing me off in just a second.
We need to copy Risk of Rain and make a boss that takes all your cards.
We have talked about that before.
Oh, have we? Okay. We should take all your items instead. And then as you deal damage to them, you get your items back.
Oh, so that's not what we talked about. We talked about a mimic.
Yeah, I know, but that's what Risk of Rain does. It's actually, I won't spoil the game, you know. That would be mean.
Yeah, God forbid you spoil a game to me.
Yeah, I know. It'd be terrible. Have you beat Risk of Rain?
No.
It was actually not as hard as I thought it would be.
Well, yeah, if you can do it, I'm sure it isn't that hard.
Yeah. It's more like, the game is honestly more like planning items than like being good at the game. I mean, also I was playing engineer, so like the game is picking up items. But I also beat it with a captain, I think. Maybe one other. I don't remember who else. I think so. Yeah. I didn't like the captain. I couldn't figure... I had heard that he was like really good, but I couldn't figure out why he was good. Anybody else play Risk of Rain 2? Chat. Rip. Chat is dead. They hate me.
Dog, you just asked it like 2 seconds ago. Bro's never heard of stream delay. What the fuck?
Oh, there's stream delay? Oh, I'm sorry.
What do you mean? What?
Sorry, chat.
Yeah. You guys should like all ghost him and like pretend you all hate him. I think that'd be funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if this is anything with indicator. I'm not sure.
Wait, oh, did you push up your changes? Let me pull those, right? Yep. Did you just push up the box or anything else?
I pushed up change to modulate, but probably don't do anything. I pushed up quite a few things, to be honest. But
Okay, that's fine.
like the demo stuff, or like the stuff that I sent over to Steam, the controller support, the
Okay.
menu changes, the box changes, and just like any of the miscellaneous changes, the seed changes as well, so that it's
Well,
seeded runs are actually a thing.
Yeah. I have
Actually,
dash
is there anything
changes
that
and
isn't seeded
continue.
currently? Stickers are
The
not
knife.
seeded currently. Oh yeah, knives also, of course, that's important.
We totally should make it seated though. Because that'd be really funny.
Dude, this S key is
Wait, we
pissing
need
me
to seed
off,
it,
dude.
but we need to make sure that if you make the seed a specific
Oh,
thing,
I know what
that
you're
it would
saying.
give you a specific knife,
like if you made the seed like on a pixel or some shit, it would like give you a
something like that.
case art and like a blue gem.
Yeah, that'll be really funny.
Like good. Have you? Oh, you don't fucking know anything about this, do you? So in Terraria, there's actually like secret seeds that have like big gameplay changes.
Oh, that's
Like
yeah, we should.
there's one
definitely
that's
have
called
that.
like Not the Bees, which changes a bunch of blocks underground into hive blocks. And whenever you mine them, they spawn bees.
That's fire.
They also just spawn like crispy honey blocks, which you stand on and they like set you on fire.
They set you on
there's
fire.
one
Why
that's
did they
like-
set you on fire?
Because it's crispy honey blocks. It's like a specific thing in Terraria. It's just a thing in
Okay.
Terraria. Don't worry about
Okay.
it. It's like a
Terraria
thing in the
pros be
base game,
doing
but they just put it in the
anything.
yeah.
Oh, the box
the,
is so fun. Oh, that was really that was funny. Oh, you
Yeah.
probably won't be able to do that in an actual game. So
Yeah,
we're gonna clear
the-
deck, so we
There's
only have
also one
boxes.
that is it's called like No More Traps or something, and then it like 10 times the amount of traps underground. And there's also one that flips the worlds upside down, so you spawn in hell, and then the surface is incredibly dangerous.
Oh,
So
that's
what's up,
fun.
JW?
Why can't I clear my hand? Or I'm trying to clear my deck
You're
in
in
my
combat.
hand. Oh, can you just not do that in
You're in
combat?
combat.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a thing that I need to figure out on how I want to do
Why am I
the
lagging
ordering
so
for
bad?
that. Why are you not? Huh? Can you use the box again? Okay, you do blink afterwards. Okay.
Also, I can't attack.
You can't attack.
I
like
can't
right now?
attack with this card. I think I broke it by trying to. Yeah, now I can't attack with this one either after shooting once. And it's probably the same with this one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, because it cleared it from the yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
But-
dude.
That might just
Yeah.
be me pushing the clear deck, clear hand button like 50 times.
I think it is, but also I do want to fix that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it's
That took
because
a long time.
I accidentally opened the debug menu. I hit restart game and then
Oh.
I pressed the debug menu to close the debug menu.
Trying to close it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I see. I understand. I got you.
Yeah, twin. You got one.
Yeah, twin.
Twin. So now I should only have boxes. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I should make the boxes compatible with the different stickers. That was actually so fun. I honestly think the delay should maybe be a little bit shorter. So that way you can kind of just like fling yourself into enemies and then it pops.
Yeah. Maybe. I mean, you can change that as an export variable.
Yeah.
I didn't change. I didn't export some of the other variables because I just wanted to get
Yeah.
that over to you so you could see it.
No, that's way more fun. Like 10 times more fun.
Yippee!
Hello, please ban Kaisenat on Discord. Be in my Discord too.
Oh no, is there?
Oh no, he might be.
Is that just in yours?
Why is Kaisenat in my Discord? I think it's just mine.
Oh.
Get out of here, twin.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Okay. Jimmy said, "Welcome to the furry squad." Whenever someone join your server.
You don't say that to Kaisen. Oh wait, that wasn't Kaisen. Oh, that was some old person that got hacked. Okay, I thought somebody joined and then instantly started spamming. Okay.
They did.
What? No?
They did.
Did
Yes.
they? Oh, duh. It just deletes the join message. Okay, I'm a moron.
Because it counts as from them.
Yeah, I might be like the stupidest person in this stream right now.
Probably. I would not doubt it.
Saying a hi of fatty is the funniest thing ever.
It is very funny. Hi fatty is.
I know
very
you
funny.
probably like wouldn't care at all, but it's really funny. Especially since I don't think they know each other.
Hi fatty.
The box also needs to do like more damage.
I also, yeah, no, he definitely wouldn't mind considering his username is literally fat guy laughing.
Yeah. It's still really funny. Yeah, I was not thinking of giving the box like a boost of speed, but it's really fun. Boxability.tskin.
Oh, you're changing. Are you changing the scale of the entire indicator with the FARC? I didn't think that would work. Interesting. I'm glad that it does, but I didn't think it would work. All right, check this out, JW. I think it works. I think this is good. Maybe. If it doesn't work, strike me down. But I'm fairly certain
I will strike you down.
What the fuck? Oh.
Oh yeah, that looks so much better. I also need to make their avoidance a little better. They stick together a little too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Because then it's like
there's some weird things going on.
Here's the area that you should not be in, or you will take damage, and it's very clear.
Yeah.
Because like imagine there's a bunch of other enemies that have like explosive things or other objects. It's like you don't want to be in here. But yeah,
there's like a weird thing.
A little too much. The weird thing.
I don't know why it's.
Was it done?
I guess I could just show it if I put this bitch in slow motion. So when this guy explodes, sometimes. Let's see if it happens. I guess it didn't happen any of those times. But sometimes it might happen on this guy whenever he explodes. I'm not too sure. Yeah, it just like instantly pops away, which is probably fine.
Wait, what is it supposed to do?
I don't know. Well, that's not supposed to do anything. It's just it looks a little weird.
Okay.
Like if I add all of these, I think that this might make it a little more obvious when something is going wrong.
You got a raid, by the way.
Oh, hopefully nothing goes wrong then. Hello, raiders, welcome in. Yes, see how all of them went away. There's no indicators on screen anymore.
Oh, interesting. Oh, is it?
Okay. I know what's happening. I know what's happening.
You know what's happening.
Hold on, let me fix this. I'm Q-freeing this at the end of this, aren't I?
Yeah.
Q-free, or are you Q-freeing it? Hold on.
Hold on.
Let me think for just a second.
Holding on. Okay, I'll let you take care of that. I'll mess around with my box some more. And by mess around
I'm sorry,
with my
people
box,
rating. I'm not ignoring you. I promise. I'm just.
I really don't want to change the box. Oh yes, damage. That's on box. Card card box. It's card box. Card box. Wait, is the damage based on the damage on the card? Oh, there is no damage on the card.
No.
Yeah, we need to. I forgot how we were gonna do that. I think the solution right now is to switch it to equipment, set the damage amount, and then switch it back to magic. Why is it called magic? It's not magic anymore, but whatever. That's what it's called.
I don't know, man. You named it. Okay. Hello, baby Dom. How are you doing? How's it going? We are working on game dev stuff today.
What all is
As
in the
per
weapon
always.
mod category again? Stickers? Is it just damage?
Sorry, what?
The weapon mod category. Is that just damage?
That's any cards that have the weapons.
Yes, but what I'm
know.
saying is what stickers are in that category.
Oh, yes, I believe just damage for now. I don't know if we'll have anything else on it.
I'm trying to think, because I would want scale on the box. I'm trying to remember which ones have scale. Spawning have scale?
Spawning has scale.
Okay. I think
Yeah.
spawning would be good.
We'll just but yeah, we can always add categories as well. This is the game that I'm
Yeah.
working on with my friend here, JW or Temporary Cat.
Hello.
It has been his game for a long time, and then I came through and cleaned up the code.
Yeah, it's also
and
been
now
your
it is
game
my
for
game.
a long time.
It is now my game only.
Now our game.
It's my game only. Oh. Why did you do that? Oh. It's magic. You know.
Wait, I just
And
realized it
shape.
would be really funny if I make the actual box scale with the card scale. So it's like normal if it's just the regular box, and then if you have the scale stickers, it just makes it massive.
Oh, I thought that's what you were doing whenever you said you were going to change the size of it.
Yes. But I was thinking of just making the effect larger, but I can just make the actual box larger. It's funny.
I see.
Also, that just makes it easier, because I don't have to worry about the scaling of each individual object or anything.
Why did my game crash? Why did my game crash?
Many such cases.
What's going on, Godot? Are we stuck somewhere? Yeah. Shape's not append. Oh, oh my god.
Are you sleepy, EP?
It's such a long day, dude.
Yeah.
I know exactly what happened. For shape in shapes, add shape, and inside of add shapes, I'm adding a shape to the shapes array, and then I'm doing the same thing for polygons. So it's just adding a shape and then looping into the new shape and adding it, and then continually just looping it. I guess I can do this. Actually, this is not gonna kill performance in the fucking slightest. Who cares?
Oh, that does funny things. Giddy.
Give me a second. Oh my god, dude, this S key is gonna fucking murder me. I hate this so much. If not shapes.has, shapes.append shape. And then I'll do the same thing for polygon. Up here. Why are you? Oh, I tabbed you over on accident. Okay, what's up? Oh,
It's a little messed up.
yeah, the box is. It's because you have the pivot. You
Yeah,
have to change the pivot.
I think.
But I think that should work.
I have an
Yeah.
idea if we do. I don't have access to the sprite, but
Why are you doing that?
Because
you
the
just change the
pivot,
pivot?
because the pivot's different in that it needs to be a specific pivot for the animation.
It does?
Because
Why?
I'm scaling it.
Oh, you're scaling it in the animation?
Yeah, because it does
You're
like
not
the squash
moving
and
it
stretch.
also in the animation, are you?
No, it's just squash and stretching.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
it's offset. I think if we just multiply it by the size, that should maybe work. I don't know if I need to restart. But... Oh, I
shouldn't, it's just a
forgot.
script.
No,
Oh, because you didn't
'cause I
assign
set
it.
the export.
Actually, you would have had to
Executions.
restart then, yeah, because
Yeah.
the script didn't have the info. Ooh.
Also,
Oh,
I commented out
back.
the thing that
Here.
draws the outline of all the shapes because I didn't like it. Or that draws the outline of the shape. I don't know where it was. The one that the bounding box. Sorry.
Oh yeah, that was for debug only.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was
so
because
you
I had to
so
figure
it
out.
only does debug.
No, it wasn't set so it was only to debug. It was for debugging purposes, and I guess I just forgot to turn it off.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah, it was because I need. Yes, because instead of putting the sub viewport across the entire screen, I'm positioning it so it only draws the minimum amount of sub viewport it has to. So, like for performance reasons.
Yeah. It still runs
The
terribly.
screen reading shaders are fucking insane.
It is running really badly today on my end. But nah, I'm sure it's not a problem.
Hopefully. Okay, which one is not?
Oh, vector 2 and op. Oh, the
Voice. What exactly is source in this case? Null. Okay.
source?
Source
like
is...
valve?
Yep, that's the one. Oh, I know it's gonna be an issue there. I'm actually going to comment this out, I think, for now. Actually, I'll just make this global position. Who cares?
Hey, look, it almost works.
What time does Best Buy close?
I don't know.
Best Buy hours. 10
that's
p.m.
funny.
Okay,
You
I'm
also...
gonna have to end stream. Huh?
Yeah, okay. It's really
I
funny.
was gonna
You
say I
also
have to end
bounce.
stream early enough that I can go to Best Buy.
You bounce like above and below too. That's weird. It doesn't list here. But you like bounce off the top. It's very funny.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It works.
Here.
Okay, so that doesn't quite work. So I'm thinking.
Holy shit, this is his first time ever, guys. I'm so fucking proud of him.
Sprite. The offset.
Oh, cool, that works. Yay!
Negative.
Well, kind of.
Oh,
Why are
wait,
we... Why are we empty arraying?
Well, you know, I can just like test this in here. So let's say this. So this is 2. So we do 8. Why doesn't that work? Oh, is it because... Oh, because if I scaled it, this is positioned lower. So if I scale this up, then this moves with it. So this pushes it down. So
yeah,
let me
so
think.
what's the animation do again? Actually, I can just take a look myself.
So let's see if we've set this to 2. 2. Does that doubles? Okay. So what I can do is I can multiply the position, or yeah, position. We want to divide it by?
I don't...
Yeah, we want to divide it by the size. There we go. I got it. That's really funny.
You got it?
Yep, so this is the regular box. And then this is the doubly large box. We might want to make it a little smaller. it's pretty large, but
Oh, I see. So wait, what are you scaling?
I'm scaling the whole object.
You're scaling the whole object?
Let me see if I can
Okay.
figure out why I'm lagging so badly. What is chewing up
Sure.
all my
Well, what's your is your FPS capped in Dante 9?
you should be. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So can I give you just like
yeah,
a
my
little
GPU's
like,
fine. It's that my, as per usual, Firefox is using like most of my memory.
You should get something to view chat that isn't just Firefox. Because the Twitch website itself is like heinous.
Okay.
So can you take a look at my screen real quick?
Actually, wait. I'm pretty sure this has a built-in multi-chat. Does this actually work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's mainly for your streams, but you can add an extra one.
What do you mean it's mainly for your streams?
Like the multi-chat on Stream
OBS?
Elements you're talking about, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's for like your multiple chats, like your Twitch and your YouTube. But not like your Twitch and your YouTube and my Twitch and my YouTube.
Yes, what I'm saying is I could just pop this out and use this instead of having my other two windows open, because like I do have a YouTube for, I don't know if it's using the browser or how it's doing it, but
yeah, I've had the multi-chat a little weird, to be honest, but really quickly, can I show you something? So you were talking about you couldn't just like move the pivot, whatever, because like this thing, if you were to scale the box around, this is like weird, right? It goes down. Rather than, I mean, so you're scaling this entire object for what? To make sure that like the hitbox changes as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I was gonna say what you could do.
Seemed to have helped a bit.
Yeah.
Shots, so that's good.
I was gonna say what you could do. If this is the main box, you could also just like make a note here. I usually just call this. You can like put the sprite inside of it. Which I guess technically I would move this down first and then put the sprite inside of it. So that when this gets scaled, you could do that. You could also have the hitbox inside of here as well, and the area. I don't know what this sprite's for. Oh, this is for that. So yeah, you could just put everything inside of there, so that this can be scaled from this pivot down here, which would also affect, the everything.
I see.
And then the actual ability wouldn't have to worry about scaling. So you could use this as kind of like an offset of everything. Which would just make that maybe a little easier just for future reference. I mean, what you've got now is fine, so I don't really care. But just so you don't have to like go out and be like, what do I multiply this by? And
why?
Other shit.
It's not.
Yes, huh?
I went in this room and I wanted to get my box, so I hit redeal cards, and it just keeps redealing the same hand.
Can you check your deck?
Let's see.
Can you use this card?
I have infinite mana, or I have infinite charges on now, so.
Well, then turn off charges.
Turn off infinite charges.
Yeah. Probably just the charges, yeah.
Seems to be working fine now.
Now if you do redeal, what does it do? Before you die?
It does give me a different hand. Maybe it was because I had infinite. That'll be weird.
If you redeal again.
Now it's
the same hand, right? Yeah.
It's the same hand.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's just in like opposite order.
Yeah.
Weird.
It's very strange.
Let's see if I can recreate that. Hopefully.
Definitely think the box should be a slightly rarer card because it's very powerful.
Did you change anything about the deck?
Not that I can think of.
Because I'm getting completely different cards every time. How many cards do you have?
4.
No, how many do you have total?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait, something's wrong with mine. Something's wrong with yours? There's something wrong everywhere, actually. What the fuck? Okay, so I've got these two. If I restart game... Still have these two. Or these 4, 6. I don't know why I'm saying the numbers that just don't make any sense with the thing that I'm seeing on my screen. I have 10 now if I were to restart game. Okay, I'm back to 6. Can you show me your GitHub desktop? Yeah. Can you maybe show me the list of changes?
Oh, this
Thank you.
here.
That's it?
Yeah.
Huh. Because I haven't... Let's see. So I don't have anything changed inside of any of that. Let me go into... I'm trying to figure out what the fuck happened and how that could be so off on yours. So what did you do?
I
to get that to happen?
drew 2 cards. I put 2 Jupiter stickers.
Like you...
2 boxes.
Okay.
I put 2 Jupiter stickers on one of them. I turned on infinite charges and infinite mana.
Okay.
And then I went into a room. Well, actually, I used them a few times in here first, but I don't think that would make a difference. But then I went into a room.
Were you in the box whenever the room started, or
no?
Okay.
Although I did find that earlier, which is funny.
Energy drinks.
And then I redealt until I got the boxes again, and then I used them to kill all the enemies in the room.
And then it just started being weird after that, or it was weird before that?
It was weird after that when I went into the next room. I was about to say, why didn't it make it big? Then I realized it's the old.
Yeah. Changes you haven't pushed up yet.
They also do. It also does no damage. It's funny.
True. Correct.
Yeah, you're gonna have to kill that guy. Good luck. No, you're doing it different. Bro got impatient. Sorry, let me put this on screen so you're not just watching my GitHub. Exhilarating gameplay. This is why I decreased the box recharge rate. Or charge rate, whatever.
How much fucking HP does this guy have? It's 60, but I don't know how much he's got left.
All of it.
Okay. And then you just went to the next room.
Mm-hmm.
Did you fuck with the chest at all?
I think I opened the chest.
Oh.
Wait, that's not the item I got.
Yeah, we're on different seeds, brother. Okay, and then from here you just redealt until...
Yep,
Pistol,
same exact
knife,
thing happened.
Pistol, knife.
That's the exact same. Literally the exact same thing that happened. The exact same cards.
So I wonder what the state of everything looks like then. Why this is...
Okay, well I'll let you
weird
figure
shit.
that out, and I will start working something here because I have a bad habit of just sitting and watching you fix a problem until you fix it, and then I go back to working on my things.
Yeah.
While we're thinking about it, let's buff the knife.
Oh no, tick cooldown is the one that I can use. Excuse me. Input that is actions. Press debug 2. Because we don't have... Actually, I can... Oh my god, I have so many debug buttons now. Holy shit. Because I have
but slightly
hand
cooldown.
activate 9 is going to be my console.print. I want to print all of these and see what you've got. So let's do that. Visual Studio Code to the center of the room, please. Thank you.
Black's definitely has the worst. What do you call it? DPS.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So let's do card activate 9. So what do we got in the hand? So we have rusty pistol. So we have all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 cards. 4 in the draw pile, 4 in the hand. So let's walk through what happens whenever you do redeal. Am I? That is so messed up. So redeal. What do you even do? So you clear hand and then you draw hand. Oh. That makes some sense. I just don't know why that. Do you still have the glitch on right now that happened?
No.
Okay.
Testing some
So what's
changes.
happening is clear hand is being run, and because we're in combat, it redraws a card every single time it discards a card. And then clear deck gets run, which also just, or no, draw hand gets run. Why does draw hand? Oh, draw hand. I'm calling the same function two times in like a weird way. Just like run draw hand. Or yeah, just run draw hand. I think that'd be fine. Yeah, okay, so it's dealing the cards twice. So that's also not very shuffled, is it? Debug 9, what you got? No. Nothing in the discard file. And you redeal.
Also, yeah, another issue. I have like 6 knives in my inventory, and I started with 2. Or 6 knives in my deck, and I started with 2.
What did you did
I'm just playing the game
or did you do
normally.
anything?
Yeah.
What?
Pretty sure that's all I was doing.
Oh.
Well, now I died. I guess we can double check, make sure restarting the game works. I guess deck's fine. Let's just run it and see what happens. Maybe I did add a bunch of knives. I don't remember, to be honest. But I'll test and see. I do not currently have a bunch of extra knives.
Deal card. So our current setup is draw pile has 4, discard has 1, try shuffle draw gets called.
Actually, wait, I did spawn in the DPS dummy. Let me just recreate what I did. Oh wait, yeah, I think I did add a bunch of knives. Never mind, I'm going insane. Now that I think about it, now I'm going back through what I did. I'm pretty sure I did just add. Yeah, I just added a bunch of knives. You know, I'm streaming right now. I gotta just come back and check.
This is true. I was thinking about doing that if you couldn't figure it out.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure I did.
I know what's happening with this. This is weird. I mean, not weird. It's just I'm stupid. I have a function called try shuffle draw, which will attempt to, anytime the deck is updated, if the draw pile is empty, it will try to shuffle the cards from the discard pile back in. However, I didn't shuffle. I just put the discard pile back in the fucking deck in like reverse order or whatever the fuck it is. So it's like it just like flips them around every single time. But this needs to do to draw dot shuffle. You don't return a copy, do you? No, good. And then that can kill this. And so now this actually should... So this will be a weird one, I think. Probably. Oh, because this is going to draw it every single time.
Oh,
whenever you get
another
the
thing
hand.
that I want to add to the list is add damage numbers and duration time on the cards.
Okay. Okay, hold on. I need to think about this. There's something that I just wanted to do. And that is, am I able to... Does draw a card get called for every... No.
I don't need task manager anymore. Firefox is still using like most of my memory, but whatever. Maybe close some tabs. Although closing tabs never seems to work very well in terms of making it run any better. It just runs badly if I have it open whatsoever.
This discard function is doing a whole lot of shit right now. Which I don't necessarily hate that, but I will have to...
Oh, you know what? Wouldn't it be handy if I had like a big list of enemy ideas that like had descriptions and like cool boxes and things like that? That would be really cool.
I don't think so.
Yeah, these ones kind of
sucked,
sucked, but you know, whatever. You know, this was a really good idea, but it's like not that helpful. Hello, Master Liberty. This does look pretty sick though, even though you probably can't read any of it.
I can kind of read a little bit of it. Oh, Master Liberty. Hey, howdy.
Oh, I forgot we wanted to have like armor for enemies.
I think I'm gonna specifically do deck.clear hand before this. Oh no, because clear hand will call discard card.
Oh, not the beams. Not the beams. We need like a shotgun enemy. I feel like we need another enemy that shoots projectiles.
Probably.
Because right now we have one.
Oh my god, dude. That's like more fucking beams than the last time.
I'm
How the
pretty
fuck
sure
do you
it's,
keep
like,
increasing your
mostly
amount
the
of
same,
beams?
but I don't know.
Is it? I don't know. I don't know. I guess I didn't pay as much attention as you did apparently, so,
No.
you know,
Yeah.
pop off then. Okay, I think what I will do so when this gets drawn, or discard card, wrong fucking place inside of the deck.gd. Discard card, you are going to call the function draw card potentially. You're going to stop doing that and you're going to draw hand, but you're going to call it deferred so that this happens at the end of the frame. Draw hand is a function that will attempt to draw a card up to the hand limit. So this will no longer draw a card every single time one is discarded. It's something that you have to something that's gonna have to manually be discarded every
So I'm
time.
thinking, what if we made the spider be like the melee weapon? Or like the melee enemy instead of the guy that runs around, and make the guy that runs around do something different.
We could. One thing that we had talked about before was potentially making the guy that runs around do like a dash, like he like does like a charge or something.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Rusty pistol projector box. Does that shuffle into the exact same thing every single time? It does. Terrific.
You can make the
Recording
shuffling
Titanfall's
seed
movement
based.
and get into Unity, and its physics cannot handle it. It doesn't have backface detection. What? And its check overlap stuff only works on convex meshes. What the fuck?
That's crazy.
Weird.
I tried.
Maybe he's like, yeah.
As
I know
like
what
literally
means.
every single person who's ever tried game dev, I tried making a movement shooter in Godot and horribly failed because I didn't understand physics.
Mhm.
But it was fun.
Didn't.
I did not.
Currently don't.
Yeah, currently don't.
Still
Yeah.
understand physics. Yeah.
Trying to think, would any of these other enemies be fun to make instead of spider?
I wonder if the cultivator on this would be fine as well. Maybe. I guess we'll
I
find
don't
out.
want a projectile enemy. Maybe we make the spider like crawl along the walls and like shoot projectiles.
Oh, like the thing that was talked about in chat earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or maybe we could make him kind of like just like an area denial type of guy and just have him like maybe have him path like back and forth along a wall or a floor and then just shoot projectiles like directly up or down or side to side.
Yeah.
So whichever is like the opposite
Maybe.
direction of the wall he's on, he'd shoot in. Because most of the other enemies are like really aggressive, so something like less head on that just kind of like controls an area.
Oh, that just didn't.
I understand
at all.
physics enough boards of movement successfully via a very jury-rigged system, but now when I try to implement it properly to make up for the rough edges, the engine just can't do without the most wonky stuff.
Oh my
Just make it
God,
in
you did the
Source,
fucking
obviously.
Jimmy thing. He did the fucking Jimmy thing that he does.
The what? What does he do?
He said jury rig instead of jerry rig.
That's what it...
No, it's not. Jury rig is different than jerry rig.
Is it? I didn't know that.
Yes.
Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Right? Let's see. So jury rigged. A red constructor repairs something in a makeshift or temporary fashion versus jerry rig is. I guess a crew's improvised repair, maybe. I guess maybe they are the same thing. I just don't like jury rig. I think jury rig is gross. I don't like it.
Yeah.
Maybe it is. Ugh.
Who's
I don't know, I
Jerry
don't like
and
it.
why is he bad at building?
You ever heard of Seinfeld?
You can't respawn and sue my ass. What, Respawn doesn't own the Source engine.
That's true.
You should go work on the Titanfall North Star client instead.
Oh, this is getting drawn into your hand immediately. I see what's happening.
I heard you worked on the North Star client. That's really funny.
God, how would I avoid this? Is that something that can even be
I have
avoided?
not actually used the North Star client. I just know it exists.
You've got like your two sets of 4 cards. And so if you discard one of these cards, it goes down to the draw pile, and then it would pull a new one in, which would go there. You could shuffle that out, but like you.
I'm in the credits on the main website. Whoa, that's pretty sick, actually.
But it wouldn't actually shuffle it back in until after all of these had gone into their various spots, at which point the only 4 cards in the draw pile would be these 4. And so it would just shuffle them around.
The what? So when you... I don't know. Theoretically, it should only be shuffling the draw pile if every single card you have is in the draw pile.
What did you just say?
I said theoretically, it should only be shuffling the draw pile if every single card you have is in the draw pile.
It should only shuffle draw if every card is in draw?
Wait, I guess
You mean
not.
discard?
Discard, yes. No. In draw, yeah. Maybe I'm...
There's never a moment that'll happen.
Oh yeah, that's true. You're right.
'Cause-
My brain is thinking like Slay the Spire.
Because if you've got like
But that's not even
you've
how
got
it
like 4
works.
cards in your hand,
Yeah.
4 cards in your draw pile. You use one of the cards in your hand, and it pulls one from your draw pile. You use another card in your hand, puts that in the discard. You draw another from the draw pile.
I'm opening Slay
And
the
you get
Spire.
down to the one in your draw and the one in your hand that were not shuffled yet. You use the one in your hand that draws the one from the draw pile, and then now it will see that the draw pile is empty, and so it will shuffle whatever's in your discard, but the only cards in your discard are the ones that you just had in your hand before.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
So maybe, well, I was gonna say maybe you could only shuffle it once.
No.
Like,
But wait, I'm thinking.
So at this point, we have 4 cards in our hand, 4 cards in our discard pile, no cards in draw. How can we get it to a point where it will shuffle Umpicus those motherfuckers around?
So what
And
is the
answer is, like,
current
it won't.
issue? Like, can you? Sorry,
Yeah,
because I was thinking
sure.
of other things like when you first started that.
So let me just put myself out of. Oh fuck me! I teleported through the room and went through the door instead of onto the roof. So I'm gonna put myself in combat. I have 8 cards right now in my inventory. So I have these 4, these 4. I have 8 cards. So if I get into combat, if I were to get rid of that print text, where the fuck am I? Oh, I'm not in deck anymore. Let me hide this print text for a second. So I have drink, projector, knife, knife. If I redeal, I have pistol, pistol, knife, box. If I redeal, I have drink, projector, knife, box.
Okay,
Wait, why
but
did
the
that-
thing
why-
is you're not gonna be redealing all 4 cards at the same time ever. You
Yeah,
only do it one at a time.
maybe it's just not an issue then. Maybe it's
Yeah.
just such like a non-issue. It's
That's
probably
what
just
I
a
was
non-issue.
thinking. I can here. Let me restart and double check.
I will actually add a function to just like shuffle the entire deck
Mana, so I have.
before like whenever the room starts.
Yeah. So we'll use
That way,
this. Soul projector.
it
energy
will-
drink, knife. Pistol. Yeah, the draw order is random. If you do one at a time, it's random. The order that it draws
I
in.
will add room base or room base is probably where it would be, but I don't. Yeah, I need you, buddy.
So I made the knife quite a bit more powerful, so it feels a lot better. It might even be a little bit overpowered, but I think it should be more powerful because you have to get so close to deal damage. It's very risky.
So the one thing that I'll say on that is the knife was supposed to be like the shitty weapon that you start with, so that you can.
But I don't want
Okay, I
it to
just
feel
wanted to-
like weak.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
it shouldn't
just
be
like don't make it
bad.
too strong.
Yes. I think it
Not
should
everything
still
should be strong.
Yeah, it should still be a little bit weak. But I was thinking the main drawback is it's really short range, so you have to get really close, which can be very risky depending on the enemy. So like you probably want to avoid using it if possible, but if you want to risk, you can do more damage. So on average, it should probably have a higher DPS than the pistol that you start with.
Mm-hmm.
Since the pistol has like a lot less risk. Let me actually double check what the other DPS is. I still need to so this is more like Dead Cells when it comes to progression, where you unlock weapons versus upgrading your character. Yes. So you find more cards, but then you can also upgrade the cards, but there's no like upgrading your character specifically. Well, there's items that you can pick up, which there aren't like relics or items in Dead Cells, right? There aren't like passive items. Because you have like you have like 2 active weapons. I'm trying to remember, I haven't played in forever. And then you can upgrade like the specific weapon types. So there's like the blue, red, and purple. And then if you upgrade those, it'll upgrade the specific weapons and then like specific stats. So yeah, that's like upgrading your character and stats. Whereas this, you like collect the cards. And then you can upgrade either collect lots of cards or upgrade specific cards. Different things. Okay, we want a knife. Oop, nope. Knife. Rusty pistol. DPS dummy, and we want infinite mana and charges. The knife right now is at 40 DPS. Maybe higher if I click faster. Say it's around like 50. This guy has 35. Let's turn the knife down just a little bit. Croissant is very soggy. Croissant is soggy.
Croissant's not in soggy mode today, sorry. I didn't feel like turning on my lights in my apartment.
Yeah. Evil.
Yeah. Sorry.
Do you just
I'm in
sit in the dark all day?
Not dark. I have like a purple lamp on. The color purple is
mind,
like
that's
kind of
not-
based as fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
I just
have
didn't feel like turning on like the bright light.
a purple lamp and a green
Right.
lamp.
Yeah. I have to have like a bright enough light that it'll like pick up my facial expressions and shit. So
Yeah.
I'm not turning on the big light right now. Sorry. Oh yeah, did I show you the? I showed you the. I didn't show you the full fix. Let me. Enemy stuff. Take a look at screen.
Yeah, I'll take a
So
look
if
at
I
your
spawn
screen.
in
Start looking at
eyeball
your
guys.
screen, twin.
So the
Oh, that's tough.
shapes. they
That
stay
looks
in
so
the tree.
cool. Also,
Yeah, they stay in the tree.
could you fix that source attack thing not working? Because I forgot what you said it
Nope.
was. Okay, that works too.
Kind of, but no, not really. It's
okay.
because we'll say it doesn't matter for now.
Okay. Yeah, it didn't seem to be affecting anything. It was just
Yeah, it's the issue is that the enemy starts the explosion and then it kills itself from the tree.
oh yeah,
So the
yeah,
explosion
yeah.
goes off and damages the player, but then that enemy no longer exists.
Yeah,
So either
was weird,
the
it
enemy
didn't-
could technically
Maybe it's the ordering, because the enemy, it seemed to only do it when it damaged other enemies, not the player. Like, if it just goes off on the player, it doesn't seem to do it.
You're smoking crack cocaine.
Okay, I'm smoking crack cocaine.
So if you want the world's like simplest fix for this, to just get the message out of there.
You just await a physics frame.
No.
Oh, okay.
Because the explosion lasts for longer than a physics frame. How are you spawning the explosion? Where's that up?
Probably in there. Yeah, there it is.
This thing.
Yeah.
What the fuck? So, hold on. Why the fuck does this have 2 different attacks?
Because one's for the player, one's for enemies.
Oh, okay.
Because the enemies take 20 damage, the player takes 1 damage.
This is the eyeball manager specifically?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
I see.
I believe. Oh. G'do, I was in the middle of fixing that line of code. Why did you put my cursor somewhere else? Yeah, we could have it just like stay in the tree until after the explosion's over, or I can just. I mean, it's also like not an issue. Yeah, there we go. I just made the source of the attack the explosion itself rather than the enemy. Which is not. I mean, it doesn't fucking really matter. Yeah. It's mainly the main reason I have that debug message is so that we would see it ahead of time if something like one of the cards had an attack that would hit something and it wouldn't trigger that. Because that's for like all of the relic events and stuff. So that if like I would much have rather known whenever we first implemented this if like the laser pointer didn't have a source set. Because then we wouldn't have to wait until we have a certain relic that requires that and then test that specific case. So it doesn't specifically mean anything other than, hey, this thing probably should have a source. And you can just set it to anything that you want. Then I'll get rid of this print as well inside of indicator.
Oh, while I'm thinking about it. Medium charge sticker, I think that's what I want.
What?
Don't worry about it, Quinn.
Okay, you said while you're thinking about it, so I thought that
I want to see what you're thinking about it. Okay, never mind. Oh. I want the charge sticker. Currently, it increases the charges by like 25%. I want it to, if the amount of charges it adds is less than 1, to round it up to 1. Because currently, if I put it on a card that has 1 charge, it doesn't. Here, let me just put this on here. So I have 1 on there. I just added it. But I might be like the stupidest person to ever exist. Also, I was on Biddy Vision that entire time.
That's okay. I'm not like staring at your screen share right now or anything, waiting to see if this is like actually an issue or if I.
No, it wasn't.
I'm fairly certain I did. Okay.
I thought that you hadn't fixed it. I just assumed you didn't because I don't remember you mentioning it. So Samus.
I believe that.
There we go. Now we just need the charge shader so that way I can actually see it when it's on the Samus storm.
So what do we want that charge shader to look like? What is that supposed to look like? It's the Give me a representation of what it should be. Is it that?
Yep.
Like exactly that?
Yep.
All right, let me get a snipping tool of that, and then I'll recreate it.
I literally had this for like 2 months probably. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, I got a message on Discord.
Oh, this motherfucker can stop bitching.
Sorry.
Do you want it to apply to everything on the card, including stickers?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Terrific.
If that's hard,
not
you
terrific,
can just do it.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's not terrific, but it's fine. I don't really. It doesn't affect
I was
too
about
much.
to say, who's this messaging me randomly? That's
Nui.
pretty.
Yeah.
Does this clip have audio? Because I don't want to like blast. I guess we'll see. I can just mute it if it does. Oh, that is indeed Titanfall in Unity at like 2 FPS. Is it my Discord lagging or is it the video lagging? I can't even tell. But that's very cool. I did not think when you meant Titanfall in Unity, you meant literally Titanfall in Unity.
Sorry. Do you have...
Is it just me or are there like 50 different people making like a generic movement shooter in Unity that looks vaguely like Titanfall?
It's definitely...
It's not like a
wrong.
negative thing, but it's like...
No, you're like wrong as
Am I
fuck,
wrong?
though.
I feel like every couple
No, you said
weeks...
50. It's quite a bit more than that.
Oh. I feel like every couple weeks I just see like some clip of some person making like some sci-fi looking movement.
I mean, movement shooters are fun though.
Yeah, they're fun.
No, get out of here, you ban evading kid.
Oh, the only downside of the multi-chat here is I can't ban people from Twitch.
Yeah. Wait, can you not?
No, I don't think.
If you click on like Liberty's name, it doesn't do anything.
No.
Damn. Evil.
Here, we'll just... Because I think this might be slightly... Ooh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
I closed it.
No, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay, whatever, I'll use the other ones instead. Twitch chat.
Did you guys know that JW doesn't use Alt-Tab whenever using things on his computer?
I, like, never use Alt-Tab. What do you mean chat disabled for this live stream? Hello?
You've got the wrong live stream selected on your YouTube thing.
Oh. What do you mean?
You have to click on Manage Broadcast.
Manage broadcast. Where?
Don't worry about it. Never mind. Don't just figure it out another time.
Here?
Just figure it out another time.
Where is it? There's no manage broadcast button. It's not there. Where did...
What is this doing? Oh, yeah.
Ah, I got it. I also still don't know why I can't chat in my own YouTube chat.
Yeah, sometimes you can. Sometimes you can't.
I literally have never been able to since I got Stream Elements. There we go. Also, there are a lot more than 50. I actually had one team turn down the offer of how to do the movement. Clean room implementation to avoid legal trouble. Am I... Wait. Am I dyslexic? I can't read this. I don't know what the heck you're saying.
Step uv.x or a cooldown. Progress uv.x.
I'm not sure what clean room implementation means.
I don't either.
Okay, so I'm not going insane.
Oh no, you probably are. But
Okay.
like, I don't know what that means either.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
honestly, I feel like it
Where's
would
the
be
-1?
less of a problem if every single one didn't look exactly the same. Like, literally just make it a slightly different style, and boom, you're unique.
Boom,
It's obviously not like quite
only here.
that simple, but like 90% of them look exactly the same. I love being able to use the box into a room. It's really funny.
Oh no, does that mean I need to keep the box as that?
What? I mean, you can't.
Does the box need to stay like?
I don't think you can.
I guess that's fair, yeah.
You can't do it like in an actual game unless people
I'll
break
do
it. I feel like the box
Oh, shit.
will be a good speed running tool with the speed it gives you.
I mean, maybe if there's some way of
Maybe.
canceling out of it, then yeah.
Yeah, that's what I
Otherwise,
wanna.
no.
I wanna think of some way to cancel out of it easily.
UV.x is mapped from -0.5 to 0.5.
I'm lagging again. I opened my YouTube chat and I'm lagging again. You can't use reverse engineered code one-to-one, so you have to make your own from scratch using the principles and knowledge of those systems. Ah, okay. I see. I think what you should do is feed Titanfall 2's code into AI and then have the
No.
AI...
Shut
sorry.
up.
I'm sorry, don't do that.
Shut up.
Don't ever do that.
Don't do that.
But then have
Why did
it
I put
generate
this code on?
the code back for you, and then it's original.
You're fucking evil. Also, reverse engineered code can be used in... I'm fairly certain that reverse engineered code is not protected under like
That is a really interesting idea or
because
dilemma.
Super Mario 64. The modding that we have on that was reverse engineered code.
But
And you can use it because
That'd be cool.
you have to have a ROM of Super Mario 64 to get the assets. The
uh,
code itself is not like because it's not a leak. It's like someone reverse engineered the code and like decompiled it.
that still sounds illegal, but
Nope. It is not.
okay, I'm gonna make an enemy. Which enemy am I making? I'm gonna make the spider. What is the spider gonna do?
Make the golem that throws his arms and
Okay.
destroys the level. Make the level destructible. Dante's 9 destructible level pass 1.2 is gonna be crazy.
That's crazy.
Color is equal to color. Color. Fuck, how do I desaturate again? I don't remember. It's like oh no,
Ask
I
AI.
remember. I remember. No, fuck
Oh,
off.
okay.
Stop saying that. You're evil and you need to stop saying it now.
Sorry, it's funny.
Is it
Am I
average or
making
is it...
the spider or here
I'm making the spider. Just make the spider.
okay, I'm making the spider. I was gonna gamble, but should I open a case and depending on what rarity I got, I would make that enemy.
How are you like this?
What? Like what?
Like what?
This guy hates me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. Yes, sir.
Meow. 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 Why are you hiding the tri-player move method, soggy croissant?
The what?
I don't
The
know.
tri-player move method? What are we talking about? Actually,
Also, that's not the correct syntax for a method.
that's true. We're using Godot where the syntax is
Or I
snake
guess it
space.
wouldn't be. Is that yeah? I guess that would be syntax, even though it
It-
doesn't break
Not syntax,
anything.
no. It's like
Style.
semantics
Style.
or style or code, yeah. Or formatting.
Semantics is like what it does, like
Oh, it's a
not
source engine
literally.
method. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah,
Silly.
yeah.
Tri-player move is a crazy name. I'm just not logged in today. I'm very slow and right now working.
is equal to this thing So if it is right of that amount, it will be desaturated? Question mark. Okay, I think I have that backwards. I do. Why do I have that? How do I have that backwards? Step charge ratio card decks. Okay, sure. Whatever, dude. See if I care.
He does care, by the way.
This is true, actually. I do care, like, a lot.
Okay, and what does the spider do?
Huh?
What does the spider do? I'm not asking.
Why are you asking me, Mr. I made an obsidian document with 8 different fucking pages of enemy canvas items. Go on.
The idea
use your enemy canvas items thing. Go on.
That the spider was move and then hit player, which is kind of boring. Not many engines support prediction, let alone deterministic prediction with rollback game states. Whoa. You should use Unreal.
Rollback? Like...
Rivals of Aether 2?
What? Sorry. What? Sorry again. Color. Back to UV. Fuck this uppercase color. Return color.
Gonna have to make a state machine. I don't remember how to make a state machine.
You don't even need to be a fucking Vec 4. You can just be a big Vec 3, dude. Yo, that's sick. Figure that one out.
I'm thinking.
So now I will do color.rgb is equal to desaturate charge color color.rgb and UV. And so now this will take in the charge ratio. Yay. Okay. So what would this look like in motion? Is this like it's just like wavy? Does it like what would it look like exactly?
It would be like wavy, yeah.
How wavy? Because I'm thinking like with Perlin noise, you know, you can scroll that down, but then it would just be like that thing moving down the entire time, which I don't think is what you want.
Yeah, it would be.
I'm like trying to visualize in my mind like what the fuck this would be like.
You could.
I have no clue.
Yeah, I'm thinking. Kind of like layering 2 of them on top of each other. I don't know how shaders work, but I feel like 2 noises moving up and down, I think like combining them together would make it look wavy properly. That's just what my brain says from...
Okay, I'll give it a try.
Yeah.
And we'll see. I don't know if I can't promise anything, but I'll give it a try.
Yeah. That's just
because I currently have... actually, I should... Yeah, I should do this as well. Uniform float charge border. Int range 0, 1. Probably like 0.1 is going to be the default. And hold on. Is there like a function inside of this? I know what I can do. I know what I can do. I can do color. Wait, where's a charge ratio plus charge border will be our maximum. This won't do anything on its own. So that will be like floats max border. Floats min border will also be this. Minus.
Wait, what if the spider shot like little projectiles that bounced along the ground like Mario fireballs?
Like Cave Story 5. Oh.
Yeah, that too, I guess, if they're the same.
Yeah, like the Cave Story Fireball.
Yeah.
What is that weapon called? Is it just called Fireball? Anyone know?
Yeah, I think it's just called Fireball.
Why would you know that? You've never played Cave Story. Don't even like
Because I
pretend
know
like you
things.
have. It is called the Fireball.
See, I told you.
Okay, then who gives you the Fireball?
Grok, where's Grok?
Who gives you the Fireball? What'd you
Grok.
say?
I said Grok, where's
No,
Grok?
bad. Of course.
What? I got my $1
know.
premium.
You should know that Santa gives you the Fireball. Of course.
Okay.
In Santa's house in the grasslands.
Why is Santa live in the
Dingus.
grasslands? That's not where Santa
Why the fuck
lives.
wouldn't he? That's okay. Everybody, we're making a little bit of making some stereotypical statements. Whatever, dude. Generalizing and such.
There's one Santa.
Santa doesn't
What do
just
you
have
keep
to-
generalizing?
Okay, Santa doesn't just have to be in the North Pole, dude. Where the fuck? Like he could be in the
yeah.
grasslands.
No.
He can be in the grasslands.
No.
Christmas isn't Christmas isn't the entire year, dude.
Yeah, that's why.
You think he's gonna be in the? You think he's gonna be freezing his ass off at the
Yes.
North Pole, checking the list, fucking over and over? No, he checks it twice. He doesn't check it the entire year. He makes a list and he checks it twice.
Yeah, the making the list is what
Not
takes
365
it so long.
times. What?
But you just gotta make the list. Like, have you ever tried making a list?
Okay. Okay, but there's like some Okay. Yes. However, you don't have to check every kid because there's not everyone's
Yeah, you
gonna be
do.
good or bad. Like there are going to be people that will always be bad, so they will never be on the nice list, and so they're like the permanent. They're const. You know,
But you can't be certain of that.
Jimmy.
Ah, okay. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Okay, buddy. All right, then.
Okay, fine. You win.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How can I do a function that says I want this to be true? I want this value to be 1 whenever it is between these two values using only like step functions. I think I could use a step function for the max border or charge ratio. Or sorry, uv.x. Which would give me 1 if it's below the max border. And then this would give me now... Yeah. I think I know what I can do. Float border value. Okay. I really like the way that my computer likes to freeze every time it recompiles the shaders, as if I'm done typing and working on the shader forever. And like I'm not going to change something. Border value, and then you are no longer going to be that. And I need you to be above min border. And then I can do color is equal to mix from the current color to a full white color based on what border value is. Does that work? Nope. Not in the slightest. I have my values fucked up, I think. Oh, because this should be card X. Oopsies.
Wait, I just
Okay, so
realized.
that
Does
does that
the-
size. So I just needed the overlap of these. I think I could do a max of the two.
Does the base
Sorry, what's up?
projectile have like the bounces and all that in it? Like, could I make an enemy
it?
projectile that does all the bouncing and stuff? I'm trying to think of how I'd make a bouncing projectile, like fireball.
Maybe. Hmm.
I'm like overthinking this.
Sorry, I'm trying to also figure this one out.
Yeah, that's okay. Maybe I work on some simpler. Is there anything like important that I can be? Because my brain is. I'm just so tired right now. I cannot think about this.
I might end stream somewhat soon because I need to go to Best Buy before
Okay,
the end of the night.
that's okay. Yeah, I am just fried today, so hopefully
yes.
tomorrow I'll be less tired.
There we go.
Oh.
So it's not moving
So-
currently, but I have this.
Mm-hmm.
And I think if I wanted to make it move, like let's just say that I had like uniform sampler to decharge noise. Let's put that motherfucker in there. Not quick load. We'll use Boy Kisser. Whatever. Hello, Boy Kisser. Thank you for coming to the show.
Noise.
Yep, it's just noise. I mean, what else would he be?
Yeah, sure.
And then I can say what? So UV.x needs to be offset by this this thing. Or what I'll do is I'll do charge noise. I'll do the texture function to pull from that using the UV coordinates, and I will say float noise sample is equal to that dot a. And then I will do card x plus equals noise sample. I don't know what this is going to do, to be honest with you. Oh, I forgot to put a semicolon. Okay, so there's the ear of the Boy Kisser. We can see it. To nearest. Okay, or don't. What's nearest repeat enable?
Oh.
Okay, so yeah, let's
Yeah, maybe use like a normal texture.
well, I wouldn't use a normal texture. I'd probably use a noise texture.
Yeah.
Normal
you're right,
texture is
you're
really
right.
useful for like shading and stuff, but not like
Mhm.
you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I actually can't see that. I wonder. Okay, hold up. Let me think about this now. So if I want to, I see. Kinda. So I want to do this thing where rather than just adding the noise sample on, like if I were to say card X is equal to sample, what would that do? That's not gonna do shit. It's I actually oh. What? Oh, because alpha's always that there. Doi. Okay, so that's like that. And if I were to just do like card X plus equals time. Or sorry. It's plus time. Divided by 4. Divided by like 10. And only in one direction. So this needs to now only affect the area around the actual charge border. Well, that looks cool, but that's definitely not what we want.
Oh, that's definitely not what we want.
Yeah, definitely not.
Definitely not.
So I need to find out Okay, I need to use smooth step, mayhaps. I need to take smooth step from. Oh my god, what is it? Charge ratio and charge ratio plus like whatever, right? So charge from charge ratio to charge ratio plus 0.5 and card X. Card X times equals that, maybe? I don't know if that's right. I don't think it is. Maybe it's equals. Or this would be noise influence. And then I can do a alert. Or sorry, it's a mix on Shaderland from card X to noise sample over influence. Okay, I've got it the wrong way around somehow. I don't know what the fuck I did. Minus.
Almost.
Wait.
Wait.
That definitely should not still be over there. I don't know why it is. Oh my god, how does smooth step work again? So I wanted to find the spot where the noise becomes effective, and then the spot where the noise stops being effective. So the noise influence will be between there. Wait, can I do this? That's gonna do the exact same thing. It's gonna look the same. It's not the same. Wait, what? Hold on, that almost works. What the fuck? Wait, that wasn't supposed to like almost work. And then I need to add. I need to make this like. It's like almost there, JW. I don't know if you see this, but it's like.
Oh, it is almost there. Oh, it also has to be pixel perfect. It doesn't have to if you can't do that. I'm just kidding.
How do I?
But
How
that
do I
would be
kill my
lovely
artist?
if it
Anyone
could be
anyone know
pixel
how I kill my artist? How would you kill him? Like, what's the easiest way to do that and still get access to the game? Oh shit! No, I have access to the fucking Steam page now. Okay, you're not
no,
safe.
no. And I think I gave him all the permissions too. But guess what? You can't delete the Steam page. I don't think.
I've got the source code. I don't fucking care.
Yeah.
Yo, you guys want to pay first bidder the we're gonna run an auction for the Dante's 9 rights. Okay, I think that's where I'm gonna call the stream actually though, because I want to run to Best Buy and pick up some shit before they close, and they close in like 50 minutes. So
Okay. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, I
all right.
need to rest anyways.
Yeah.
Like I'm just not.
All right. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. We are still working on the playtest. It is currently in review by Valve, and once they finish their review, once they say that the game is good to go, we will likely have a few fixes and balance things maybe still in the queue. But once those are good, we will likely just be dropping the playtest to you guys so that you can play it, give us feedback.
I'm guessing
you don't
by,
have
like,
to give us
Friday, hopefully. That's like
I would
my
say
goal.
by Friday at the latest. But we would appreciate any feedback. You don't have to give feedback, just playing the game and checking it out. is enough. But we will likely have feedback forms or something if you feel like giving any sort of all feedback. If you're like, I absolutely hate this, you can. If you absolutely love it, feel free to tell us. But anyways, I will be back. We will be back on Thursday at the same time, 6:30 p.m. EST.
Yep.
And then, yeah, we will likely release the playtest the day after.
Yep.
Hopefully, assuming everything goes well with the Steam.
Yeah.
But yeah. All right. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everyone.